What if your cough just won't stop, day or night? No sleep, constant irritation, and nothing seems to work. This is where DayQuil and NyQuil cough comes in. Two medicines designed for one problem, cough relief 24 hours a day. Let's make it simple. During the day, use DayQuil cough. It contains dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant that helps control your cough without making you sleepy, so you can go to work, stay active, and still get relief. Now at night, switch to NyQuil cough. It also suppresses cough, but with an added antihistamine that helps you relax and sleep better, so your body can recover while you rest. Now here's how to use it correctly. Take the recommended dose on the label, usually every 6 to 8 hours if needed. Never mix both at the same time. Use DayQuil in the daytime and NyQuil only at night. And avoid alcohol, especially with NyQuil. Now let's talk about side effects. DayQuil is usually non-drowsy, but NyQuil can make you sleepy. You may also notice dizziness, dry mouth, or mild stomach discomfort. If symptoms last more than a few days or get worse, consult a doctor. So remember, this is not just cough syrup. It's a complete day and night relief system. Take the right one at the right time, and your cough won't control your life anymore. Follow for more simple, powerful medicine guides, because better knowledge means faster recovery.